Hi, I'm Don Cottom with 323 Link, and we have got a special offer for schools, K-12 schools in Tennessee. We have a new line of interactive touch screens like the one I have here. The product line is called RioTouch, and they're typically about 30 to 40% less costly than panels you're buying today to replace projection systems in classrooms. Full interactive panel. The panel also has windows built in. It has your Android system just like traditional panels, but here's what's really exciting with these special promotional prices. We have our 65-inch at $3,400. The 75-inch is in Tennessee price $4,400, and the one that's probably the most popular is our 86-inch, which is under $6,000. So if you need additional information, please call Aaron, who handles Tennessee. His number here is listed at the bottom at 615-330-8183. And thanks for checking out RioTouch with 323 Link.